Okay, this is a Singer Model 201-2, meaning that it's the 201 with the potted motor. And that meaning that there's the motor drives the machine, there's no belt to change, it's a direct drive. Means no slipping and more dependability. Uses your Class 66 drop-in bobbin, 15x1 needles, although it does thread a little opposite the rest of the machines. PDF copy of instruction manual included, emailed after purchase. Box of accessories, all kinds of goodies in there, needles, hand needles, feet and attachments. Not the prettiest machine on the block, but seen a lot worse. The paint is still in overall good shape. Just some scratches. The decals are overall good, not perfect, but they're good. Clear coat has one tiny spot right there that's starting to come off. Like I said, have seen much worse. This is a good worker. It's a machine that you won't be afraid to use because it's not perfect. And of course, it's just your basic straight stitch, and it's true reverse feed. Smooth machine. This is 4 layers of cotton, like Dockers. This is puff off the dress pants. As you can see, it's going right over the seam. Not having any problem whatsoever. Now I'm going to fold this over. So that would be 8 layers of Dockers that we're going to run through. Machine will work for you all day long. There's 8 layers with a perfectly balanced stitch on the front and the back. Here's some denim. It's 5 layers. That's only as big as my sample was. It would do more. I'm using a size 16 needle. Tabletop ready. No problem using it right on the tabletop just as you see it, or of course you can put it in a cabinet or carrying case. Perfect stitch on the denim. Garment leather. 3 layers. Going to go right through them without a problem also. Of course, this machine is not made to make knife sheaths or horse saddles. But if you have some basic upholstery work you want to do, you want to put some patches on your biker vest, or you want to hem your leather skirt, this machine will do the job. Perfect stitch on the 3 layers of leather, forwards and backwards. And that is the Singer 201-2.